In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of requesting a refund through Google-supported channels, specifically when dealing with an online store like Temu. This guide is going to walk you through a straightforward way to approach the refund process that ensures you get the assistance you need efficiently and effectively. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Temu website. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been there before. This can help make the process smoother as you're less likely to feel overwhelmed by the options available. Now, once you're on Temu, your next move is to locate the support section. This is usually found at the bottom of the homepage in the website's footer, but it might vary depending on their current site layout. This is your go-to hub for addressing any issues you might have, including processing refunds, so make a mental note of its location for future queries. Once you're in the support section, you'll typically find several contact methods, such as email, phone support, or live chat. For today's purpose, we are focusing on using the chat feature, as this is often the fastest way to reach resolution, because it allows you to communicate directly with a support representative. Upon entering the chat, promptly initiate the conversation by clearly stating your need. A simple way to start is by typing, "Can I get a refund?" This direct approach signals to the support team the purpose of your contact, allowing them to address your issue without unnecessary delays. After making your initial inquiry, be prepared to provide the reasons why you are seeking a refund. Having clear and concise reasons ready is crucial as it helps the support person understand your situation quickly, and it significantly increases the odds of your request being processed quickly and successfully. It's advisable to include any relevant details such as order numbers, dates of purchase, and the specific issues encountered with the product or service. That said, maintaining a polite tone is important to facilitate a smoother interaction and to represent yourself well. Once you have communicated your request and provided all necessary information, listen or read carefully the instructions or questions provided by the support team. They might ask for additional documents or evidence to support your claim, so it's a good practice to have these ready in advance, whether it's a receipt, an email confirmation, or photos of the product. After completing these steps, your job is essentially done. You'll likely receive further instructions on the next stage of your refund process, such as any waiting periods, additional forms if necessary, or confirmation of your refund being processed successfully. Make sure to save any relevant conversation threads or reference numbers provided in case you need to follow up in the future. And with that, you've efficiently navigated the refund process on Temu using Google's supportive framework. Thanks for joining me today.